Deputy Chief Minister Losii Dikho assures that the state government is making all-out efforts to end the prevailing tension in Litan, Ukhrul district. Addressing media person at Hotel Imphal North AOC today, Deputy Chief Minister Losii Dikho emphasized that need for mutual understanding among all stakeholders, including civil society organizations, to resolve the crisis peacefully. He said that the government, under the leadership of Chief Minister Y. Kim Chand, is continuously working towards a lasting solution. The Deputy Chief Minister informed that tight security arrangements have been put in place in violence-affected areas to maintain law and order. He described the participation of civil society organizations in the peace process as a positive development and expresses confidence that the issue would be resolved soon. Dikho also said that a formal investigation is underway to determine the exact cause of the Litan violence.
Everybody is involved, the government is involved, the honorable chief minister is involved, the securities are working so hard, and even the civil society, now they are coming forward to solve the problem. It is a positive sign. Now things are much clearer, so don't worry, I think we will give our best. Even when we were there, having meeting, it has been there. That's why we have been trying our best. Even yesterday night there was not much, but again it is happening now, but now it is cooling down, so it should be okay. He is planning even to visit the place also, and he is planning to meet the CSOs and the people, the stakeholders there. So we are going to discuss with him now also. We are going to his place. We'll go now. We'll not have food with you, and we'll go and talk to him because this is urgent. So we are giving all our best. I hope everyone will cooperate. It should not leave the burden on the head of the chief minister or the government. I think all